In this video, we're going to go over some sample problems under the topic actions and reactions. Firstly, we're going to look over the questions together. The first one will be forces always act in pairs. Is that a true or false statement? The second one will be action and reaction forces always act opposite of each other on the same object. Is that a true or false statement? The last one will be air is forced from the bottom of a rocket and it lifts off. The lift-off force is either an action or reaction force. Feel free to pause the video and solve the problem by yourself. Recall what we learned in this section. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This can be applied to loads and is useful in classifying them as either actions, which loads produced by applied loads and the weight of the structure itself. Reactions, loads that support must generate to prevent the structure from moving. Let's go over the first problem. Forces always act in pairs. Is that true or false? Recall from the Newton's third law, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reactions, where action and reaction pairs up. Thus, the forces always act in pairs is a true statement. Then let's look at the second problem. Action and reaction forces always act opposite of each other on the same object. Is this true or false? Recall from the Newton's third law, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, which means that they always act opposite is true. Are they on the same object? Let's look at the picture. A man is pushing the wall, which gives the wall an action force, and the wall pushes the man back. This will result in a reaction force. However, they are not act on the same object, but they do meet at the same surface where they meet. Therefore, this is not a true statement. Let's look at the last problem. Air is forced from the bottom of a rocket and it lifts off. The lift-off is action or reaction force. Recall what we learned. The action force is the weight of the structure itself, which is going downward, and the reaction is the loads that prevent the structure from moving, which in this case will going upward, going against the weight. In the problem, it says that air is forced from the bottom, which is going upward. In this case, it's the reaction force. So in summary, the forces always act in pairs is a true statement. Action and reaction forces always act opposite of each other on the same object is a false statement. Air is forced from the bottom of a rocket and it lifts up. The lift-off is a reaction force. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.